Bhavna Bhalla, faculty in the Business Communication area at IMT Ghaziabad. This EPPA program is an 11-month program that focuses on providing an in-depth knowledge and practical approach towards the subjects like spoken and written communication, its usage in the corporate world. It also gives an insight about various decision-making skills, critical thinking skills, and understanding how the consumer responds to various stimulants in the environment. These courses are designed specifically with the objectives of upskilling and the sustainable future for the young professionals. We are looking forward to host and welcome the experienced executives who are preparing themselves for managerial and leadership roles. We are also looking forward to have working professionals with us who have a little bit understanding and exposure to the corporate world, but then they would like to learn more about the contemporary business concepts through this program. Studies act as the gateway towards the real-world corporate problems. The aspirants understand, appreciate, and resolve the concerns using their own understanding of the concepts that are discussed in the classroom. This adds to the learning experience. This program focuses on experiential and practice-oriented learning. The faculty who is teaching the courses are adept enough to bring in the contemporary business situations to the classroom, which keeps the students active and attentive in the classroom. I don't think online learning environment is a concern anymore. If one wishes to learn, there are various opportunities available to learn online. So is with the online program. The participants should have the willingness to learn. They can approach the faculty or the teaching cohort through emails or phone calls at their own convenience, but by taking prior appointments. Simulations are the tools which can put the students into a proper decision-making situations and at the same time reflect upon the kind of outcomes their decisions are giving. Ghaziabad has an impeccable legacy of 40 years. This place offers ample opportunities to grow as professional. Ranked among the top B schools in the country, IMT Ghaziabad focuses on grooming leadership through innovation, execution, and social responsibility. Welcome on board. Be a part of the experience.